Welcome to Japanese Kitchen Samurai channel. I'm a kitchen samurai girl. This channel provides the recipes of modern Japanese food. Japanese food is healthy, simple, and delicious. Let's get started with me. Today, I am cooking steamed rice. Here are the ingredients. It is very simple. Steamed rice is the staple food in Japan. We use Japonica rice. Wash the rice using clear water 4 or 5 times. The water has been clear now. Soak the rice in the fresh water for 30 minutes. It is a very important process to cook rice uniformly. Cook rice at high heat until the water is boiled. It will take 5 or 10 minutes. Reduce heat to the middle with cover for 15 minutes. Let it stand for 15 minutes without heat. Don't open the lid so far. Everything is done. This is steamed rice. Itadakimasu. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to register my channel and good button. See you later.